Welcome to my channel Maths Pursuit. Today we will look into the questions from the chapter called Linear Equations in One Variable. The given question is solve the following equation, and the given equation is z divided by z plus 15 is equal to 4 upon 9. So guys, let us see how we can solve this given equation. Question has given us here this equation. Question has given us here z divided by z plus 15 is equal to 4 upon 9. Question has given us this expression, and question is asking us just to solve this expression. Guys, solving this type of expressions are really very easy. So let us see how quickly and how easily we can solve. Z divided by z plus 15 is equal to 4 upon 9. Or I can write z divided by z plus 15. Let us put a bracket here. If we put a bracket here, nothing wrong is going to happen. Into z plus 15 is equal to 4 upon 9 into z plus 15. Guys, what I am doing here? I am multiplying. What I am multiplying? Multiplying z plus 15 to both sides. Why I am multiplying z plus 15 to both sides? I want to eliminate this z plus 15 from the denominator. In order to eliminate this z plus 15 from the denominator, I should multiply left side of the equation by z plus 15. If I am multiplying something to the left side of the equation, I should also do the same thing to the right side of the equation. For that reason, I am multiplying z plus 15 to both sides of the equation. Hope guys I am very clear till here. Or I can write this z plus 15 and this z plus 15 cancels out. So what I can write now? I can write z is equal to 4 into z plus 15 divided by 9. Hope guys I am very clear till here. Or I can write z divided by, or what I can write? I can write z divided by 9. Or what I can write? Or I can write not divided, guys. Actually what I want to do, I want to multiply z into 9 is equal to 4 into z plus 15 divided by 9 into 9. What I am doing here? Multiplying 9 to both sides. Guys, why I am multiplying 9 to both sides? I believe you by this time you would very easily know why I am multiplying. I want to eliminate this 9 from the denominator. If I want to eliminate this 9 from the denominator, I need to multiply right side of the equation by 9. If I am multiplying right side of the equation by 9, I should also multiply left side of the equation by 9. So for that reason, I am multiplying both sides of the equations by 9. Hope guys I am very clear till here. Or I can write 9z is equal to this 9 cancels out, and we are left with 4 into z plus 15. Now let us solve this one. Then let us multiply 4 to z and 4 to 15. So I can write now, or 9z is equal to 4z plus 60. 4 into 15 is 60. Hope guys I am very clear till here. Just I am solving this linear equation, which is very easy. Or I can write, I want to move this 4z to left side of the equation. So I can write 9z minus 4z is equal to 60. What I am doing here? Transposing plus 4z from right hand side to left hand side. And guys, we very well know that if we move a number from one side to the other, its sign changes. If it is positive, it becomes negative. If it is negative, it becomes positive. And the other thing is that why I am moving 4z to left side of the equation? I want to get together all the variables having z, or I want to move all the variables having z to the left side of the equation and all the numbers without any variables to the right side of the equation. And why I am doing so? I am doing so that it will be very easy for us for our calculations. So let us solve this one further. 9z minus 4z is 5z. 5z is equal to 60. Or I can write 5z divided by 5 is equal to 60 divided by 5. What I am doing here, guys, I am dividing both sides. I am dividing both sides by 5. Dividing both sides by 5. Why I am dividing both sides by 5? I want to eliminate this 5 from z, or I want to remove this 5 from z. For that reason, I need to divide this 5 by 5. If I am dividing the left side of the equation by 5, I should also divide the right side of the equation by 5. So for that reason, I am dividing both sides of the equation by 5. Hope, guys, I am very clear till here. Or I can write, what I can write? Or I can write z is equal to 12. How? This 5 cancels out, and we very well know that 5 12 is 60. So guys, we got the value of z is 12, and this is our answer, guys. We got the value of z is equal to 12 and we solved the equation. So this is our answer. Now guys, we should not stop here. We should also check our answer. We should also check our answer whether this z is equal to 12 is correct or not. How we will check our answer? In order to check our answer, let us rewrite the original equation. In order to check our answer, let us rewrite the original equation, which is z divided by z plus 15 is equal to 4 upon 9. Now we will check if left hand side of the equation is right hand side of the equation or not. And guys, you could see that the right hand side of the equation is 4 upon 9. So no need to do anything here. Just we don't have anything to do here on the right side of the equation. Let us solve the left side of the equation. How we will solve? Let's see. Now the left side of the equation is given by, the left hand side of the equation is given by z divided by z plus 15. Now replacing the value of z by 12, replacing the value of z with 12. Which 12? This is what we got here. This is the 12 that we got here. We are going to replace the value of z by 12. So instead of z, I am going to write 12. 12 divided by 12 plus 15, or that is equal to 12 divided by 27, or that is equal to 3 4s are 12, 3 9s are 27. Now guys, you could see that we got the left hand side of the equation as 4 upon 9. As what we got? We got the left hand side of the equation when we solved the value as 4 upon 9. Now you could easily notice that, the right hand side of the equation we got 4 upon 9, and the left side of the equation we also got 4 upon 9. Therefore, we can easily say that left hand side is equal to right hand side. Hence, this is verified. Hope guys you understood this. This is very simple and very straightforward. But still, if you have any questions or doubts, please reach out to me in the comment section of this video. Definitely I will get back to you once I see your comments. Guys, if you really like my videos, please subscribe and let your friends know. If you really like my videos, I would request you to kindly subscribe and also let your friends know. This will motivate me to create similar videos in the future. Thank you. Bye.